How to make money as a personal trainer online. Get rich now. Remember when you needed to step foot in a gym to work up a sweat? You can now earn money as a personal trainer online, and I will show you how to make money as a personal trainer online. The digital fitness revolution. You can reach customers worldwide via the internet, all from the comfort of your sofa or home gym, if you're fancy like that. Benefits of online personal training. Besides the apparent benefit of working in your pajamas, online personal training has other benefits. Setting up your online personal training business. Identify your niche. To be more distinctive than a unicorn doing squats in the internet fitness industry, you must be more unique than a unicorn doing squats. Create your online presence. Create your website. Every online personal trainer needs a digital headquarters. Social media. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and even TikTok may assist you in reaching out to possible clients and showcasing your abilities. Build your brand. This includes a memorable name, a visually appealing logo, and a consistent tone across your material. Generating income. Offer different services. Variety is the spice of life, and your online personal training business is no exception. One-on-one training sessions, your secret weapon. My fellow fitness enthusiasts, the secret ingredient to making those dollars fly into your virtual pocket is, drumroll, please, individualized, live training sessions through video chat. The art of making it personal. No two clients are the same, and that's where your expertise comes in. Show me the money, charging for your one-on-one sessions. Regarding pricing for your one-on-one training sessions, remember that your time, knowledge, and winning personality are all valuable assets. Begin by investigating how much other personal trainers in your region, or online, charge for comparable services. Group classes. The more, the merrier, and the richer. Group courses, you see, are the ideal way to make money while building an infectious community atmosphere around your fitness company. Include some team challenges and partner workouts, or have them cheer each other on. Pricing your group classes like a boss. You'll want to find the optimal mix between accessibility and profitability when pricing your group lessons. Customized workout plans, the fitness fashion statement. Your clients don't want to be crammed into a one-size-fits-all training regimen. They want something as personalized as their favorite pair of leggings. The secret sauce, personalization. We're talking about knowing their fitness objectives, training preferences, and what makes them tick. Show me the money, pricing your masterpieces. When pricing your one-of-a-kind training routines, remember that you're providing a premium service that's well worth the money. Affiliate marketing and sponsored content. In return for a commission or sponsored content, collaborate with fitness-related firms to market their products. Retaining clients and growing your business. Provide exceptional customer service. Reply to messages quickly, pay attention during sessions, and provide real support. Utilize testimonials and referrals. Encourage happy customers to post positive feedback and promote their friends. Final thoughts. Earning money as an online personal trainer isn't a pipe dream, it's a possibility. Accept the digital age, use your fitness knowledge, and watch your online empire develop. Remember that you're doing something right if you can make them laugh while making them sweat.
Hey there. Thank you for watching. Don't bother subscribing, liking, or visiting GetRichNow.com to make heaps of cash today. Absolutely do not check the description for incredibly unhelpful links to get poor now. I mean, who needs wealth anyway? Wink, wink.